So I just got to New York City, flew in on JetBlue from LA, landed at Terminal 5, JFK. Kind of a mess, ton of construction, and I noticed that you can no longer get an Uber or Lyft curbside at some of the terminals. You can still get an Uber Black curbside, but I got my luggage from the carousel, and when I was in the baggage claim area, I noticed that there are a bunch of guys. And I saw two or three guys walking around, and they're basically asking me, "Hey, you need an Uber?" And I remember they had actually warned us about this on JetBlue when we were getting off the plane, not to take a ride from these guys. So I thought it was interesting. And then, I looked for an Uber to my hotel in Brooklyn, and Uber did have an Uber Black option for curbside. That was $125, or you could do UberX for $85, but you'd have to go walk a ways, and it seems like that's a huge hassle. So I picked the Uber Black option for $125. I walk outside, I see more guys actually come up to me and were asking me if I want to take an Uber. And so I asked him, okay, what's it going to cost me? He looked it up on the Uber app, he quoted the fare, and it was exactly what I had just typed in. He said, oh, I could do $85 for UberX. I got this car waiting for you right here. So I was kind of thinking to myself, oh man, obviously not a bad deal, since you don't have to wait, the car's right there, and you don't have to walk to this area, but they are charging the same as Uber. And of course, technically, these rides are illegal. I think these guys can get in a lot of trouble for it, but I mean, they were pretty brazen. They were walking around, asking people if you need an Uber. They definitely didn't seem too scared. One guy actually seemed like kind of the ringleader, and then he was calling other Uber drivers over. And I asked him, oh, well, I already have this Uber Black coming. It's two or 3 minutes away. And he said, oh, I could do Uber Black. I got a SUV guy right here. And he waved him down, and the guy was in an SUV, and he told me that he could do the ride. And I said, how much? He said, $125. And I was thinking to myself, that makes no sense. Why would I pay the same amount to this, gypsy cab guy as I could just wait 2 minutes for an Uber Black and get picked up right there. So I waited, but I thought it was interesting that these guys were pretty brazen, pretty aggressive, and also like not really giving you much of a discount. I guess the UberX was kind of nice because it was the same price, no waiting, and you didn't have to walk. But the Uber Black, definitely, I don't think it's worth it to go with these guys. Obviously it is technically illegal, and these guys could get in a lot of trouble. Might not be insurance, so definitely buyer beware there. But I asked my driver, the actual Uber Black driver who I got, how much he was getting paid for my $125 fare, and at the end of the trip he showed me his receipt. He got $75. So Uber is taking a pretty big, kind of nasty cut on these trips, really not providing a lot. All these drivers in New York City have commercial insurance, so that's kind of why all these guys are out there hustling. So I don't really blame them for doing it. Uber's taking $50 on this trip, and really not doing a ton of work. So I know there's a big complaint that we hear from a lot of drivers, and the drivers are commercially insured. So there's not much Uber's providing in this scenario. And so I think maybe these guys should drop their prices down a little. Charge $100, and they'd still make more than if it was on Uber. But that was my experience just now, and here I am in New York City, and gonna go do a few meetings and get some work done.